All good. Yeah, listen. So today we're going to learn this chapter called project scope management. Okay, before I start this chapter, you can hear me, no? So far so good. Let me keep my mouth zipped. Okay, listen. So before we start this chapter, project scope management, just a second. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Okay. Before we start this chapter, project scope management, can I just tell you one thing? Okay, listen. Can I just tell you one thing? Can I say this is a project? Okay. And before a project starts, there is something called a need. Isn't it? There is one need. Before any project starts, there has to be a need. Isn't it? Can I say this need is called requirement?
Yes.
Yeah, we can tell that, isn't it? Because a project can start because of some requirement, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So what is a requirement? What does a requirement mean? What is the meaning of a requirement? Requirement means need. Okay, but what is the meaning of requirement? This can come from many people. It can come from a customer. It can come from a project sponsor, isn't it?
Yes.
So before a project starts, there has to be a need, isn't it? Okay. So need, or let's say this is a requirement. So a customer comes with a requirement. John, or let's say, John, I need to do this project, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what can we say requirement is? Just remember, requirement is something like called C and C. Okay. C and C means what? They are the conditions. Okay. Conditions and capability. Isn't it? C and C. What is a requirement? A requirement is the conditions and capability that must be available, or must be present in our final product. Isn't it? Yes or no? For example, you come and say, John, I need one mobile. Isn't it? This mobile must have these much conditions. Let's say it should be black in color. Isn't it?
Yes.
It should have, let's say 32 GB memory. It should have that much processing speed. I do not know the characteristics of a mobile, isn't it? It should be touch screen.
Yes.
Isn't it? So these are the requirements, or these are the conditions or capability. Isn't it? That must be produced, that should be in the final product. Okay, this is what requirement, isn't it? From whom it is come? From the customer and the project sponsor. Any comments here?
No, sir.
Okay, this is from his part. This is his role. Okay, my role is to convert this requirement, or can I call this need, okay, to what? Final product. My job is to convert his vision, isn't it, to product. This between from here to here is my job. Yes or no? Okay. Can I just tell you, this need is something like product scope. What is product scope? It is the need, what the customer want, isn't it? In other words, what does PMBOK says? He says FNF. He says the functions and features that must be produced, that must be available in the final product. It's the same meaning, isn't it? With me?
Yes.
Isn't it? So we can almost say that product scope is almost equal to the requirement of customer. It has to be the same thing, isn't it? I cannot make something which customer does not want, isn't it? So my job is to convert, let's say, the need to product scope, isn't it? This center job is called what? Conversion of the need of the customer, the dream of the customer, to the final product with these all functions and features is called what? Project scope. Again. Yeah, again. Okay, let me just rub this and I will tell you what's the story. Okay? I'll rub it. Okay, listen. Let's suppose your customer comes in, isn't it? Let's say two customers are there. Who are these people? Project sponsor or customer representative? Isn't it? He comes and tells, John, I have a need. Let's say in his brain, he has a need. Isn't it? I will call this need requirement. Do you have any comments if I call him requirement? Isn't it? PMBOK used the word requirement or whatever. Okay? This is the need. Whose need? These people's need. He comes to meet whom? PM. Who? Project manager. Isn't it? Isn't it? Okay, let's say they come with the need. Okay, my job is to convert this vision to a final product which he can touch. Can I call this product? Isn't it? I can call this product. So my job to convert this need, just a second, okay, this need to this thing is called what? My project scope. How will I do it? Isn't it? Because sure, this what is this need, or let's say vision or requirement cannot be done to product without doing some work. So can I tell this project scope, okay, project, okay, this is a project scope. Can I say the project scope is the work, okay, work required to produce product? Okay, with what product? I can create any product, but with his requirement. What is his requirement? John, it has to have these functions and features. Functions and features. Hello? I hope it is clear now. So we can just tell one thing like this, isn't it? So what we can say? We can say project scope, okay, is equal to the product scope, isn't it, plus work. Because if I don't do the work, how I can finish the product scope? How can I get the finished product? I have to do some work, isn't it? So this chapter is all about this. How do we convert his need, or let's say his requirement, to final product? Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, so one of the most important thing, okay, one of the most important thing is to understand his need. It is not that I can understand what he is dreaming, isn't it? I have to ask him some questions. I have to, isn't it? I have to talk to him. I have to do some meeting. I have to do some interviewing. Isn't it? Isn't it? So let's tell you how. So we're in chapter 5. Okay, scope management. Okay, so first thing what we have to do before we do any work, okay, before we do any work, we have to do what? Planning. Isn't it? Okay, first we have to plan. Why do we need to plan?
Because without planning we cannot get the Engr.
Without planning we can't do it, isn't it?
Without planning we cannot proceed to do any kind of work.
True. But why I have to plan? Without planning, like let's say I can't directly do executing. Because planning basically it gives you, like, you know, foresight. He will, like, what is the meaning of planning? Planning is basically tell you how you will do it. Like gives you the guidelines.
Yes, how you will.
Isn't it? The word planning, when you think about planning, you have to understand one word called how you will do it. Like how you will do what? Here we are talking about scope. So you say how you will do, or let's say how you will manage the scope. Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so the word, when you talk about planning, you think about how. It's a document, isn't it? I hope this is clear. Okay. So first thing what you will do is, let me just give you a very good story. Okay. Let me give you a story. You understood this need, isn't it? And this customer, But how do I speak to him? I can directly go and send him message. Let's say customer or project sponsor, send me how you want. No, I have to. There is a hierarchy. There is a method to speak. This all I will plan. Isn't? I can't send him WhatsApp message. Isn't it? Send me what you want. Isn't it? This is all in planning. How will I collect? How will I move forward? Isn't it? This is the meaning of planning, isn't it? Is it clear? Okay. Then, second thing what I will do is, yes, go ahead.
One question. The last statement that you told me, planning, when you're saying planning means basically, this is equivalent to the first meeting of the client to understand the requirement?
No, listen. No, this is, no, I think you should, it's a good question. Okay, can I just rub this? Okay, I'll rub everything what is written. Okay, I will teach you what is that. Okay, good question. Listen, this stage, or before I rub this stage, okay, this stage is actually after your project's charter has been signed. Okay, this is done, because then how come project manager came here?
Yes, without the sign of a project
Charter, PM does not exist. He can be there. He gives him what? RO, recommendation and oversight. Isn't it? Isn't it? Now I am directly speaking to the project. I am directly speaking to the project sponsor and customer. How? Because project is signed. I am existing now. Isn't it? Is it clear now? I think so. That question is clear, isn't it? So this is, let's say, initiation finish. Now we are doing planning. Then execution. Then monitoring and control.
Sir, please excuse me. Just give me a minute. Just a minute.
Take. Okay. No worries.